The director of film festivals, S.M. Khan, on Thursday stated that the beautiful state of Goa has a huge potential of being the permanent venue of the International Film Festival of India. Mr. Khan said that if Goa had to be a permanent venue, action was needed to develop a master plan to upgrade the infrastructure on a long-term basis. Speaking on the concluding day of the 11-day 40th edition of the International Film Festival of India, Mr. Khan stated that the festival required infrastructure of international standards. Action was needed to upgrade the infrastructure to organize the IFFI permanently in Goa.
There's a huge potential. Everybody likes Goa. Goa as a location is very good for film festival, but we have to improve it further. We have to improve infrastructure further, because if the festival has to stay in Goa forever, the further some more infrastructure is also required. Then it was very well organized, but whenever there is a shortcoming, wherever there is a shortcoming, we have studied it and it will be improved in the next edition.
Director Khan stated that the festival was conducted peacefully, which had enhanced the culture of film in Goa. He was also happy to introduce a new section, Goa as Celluloid Destination, next year.
You see, the festival has gone off very, very nicely, very peacefully, in a very smooth way. We had got very good participation, very good films. Films were analyzed, debated and discussed. The positive and negative points were highlighted. There were very good question and answer sessions with filmmakers, and I hope everybody enjoyed the festival for 11 days. And also, it enhanced the culture of films in Goa. Every year it is contributing to enhance the film culture in Goa and more participation. And I am very happy that this year we could introduce a new section in IFFI, that is Goa as Celluloid Destination. These are the films which have been made in Goa and which have been shot in Goa. So it's a new section, and I hope the Goans will like that.
Mr. Khan further said that whenever an event of such a magnitude was organized, errors are bound to take place, for which he apologized.
You see, when you organize such a big thing, there have to be some mistakes, there have to be some problems, there may be some inconvenience to people. I apologize for that. If there have been any inconveniences to anybody who has come from abroad or from other parts of the country, or maybe from the local people, but at the same time, most of the things have gone off very nicely, but we have learned some lessons, and we will try to improve on those things.
Finally, Mr. Khan emphasized on the need to tone up local administration, and as far as selection of films was concerned, it had to be improved further so that the festival could hold more and more world, Asian and Indian film premieres at the festival in Goa.
Again, we have to improve something as far as as you said, the local administration is concerned. Whatever we learned during this period, whenever there was any shortcoming, we will improve that. About various arrangements, and as you said, security was something more tight at places, and red carpet welcome was done very well, but this has to be improved further, and so many other things. And as far as the selection of the films, it has to improve further every year, because we need to have more and more films which should be world premieres here. This time also we had world premieres, Asian premieres, and every film was an Indian premiere. But the number of such films which are outstanding films of the world should increase further. Though at a time you can get only a limited number of outstanding films for a festival, because every festival has got some outstanding films, some very good films, some good films, some average films. So it's a mixed bag of films. No festival can claim that every film was an outstanding one, because you don't have 300 outstanding films at one point of time.